If you love your swallow, but you always avoid eating it because you're watching your carb intake or your weight in general, I need you to watch this video and watch it till the end. I'll show you how to make a very delicious high protein swallow that you can eat completely guilt-free and still enjoy it every inch of the way. This is such a fantastic way to get your protein in while still enjoying your native food in style. You may need to save this video because I bet you'll be needing it. Now, enough talk, let's go. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 cup of lentils. Whether you choose to use the red or the yellow lentils is immaterial, as the both of them will give you the same result. Lentils is packed with protein. 1 cup of lentils contains approximately 18 grams of protein, making it a very excellent alternative for meat. It's also rich in fiber, which supports digestion and satiety, and it has about 15 to 16 grams per cup. It is also rich in other micronutrients like iron, folate, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin B. It's good for heart health, lowers cholesterol, and controls your blood sugar, and ultimately helps in weight management. So I'm going to start by giving it a quick rinse. You want to rinse this till the water runs clear. Next, you're going to need 4 cups of water. Yes, the ratio is 1 cup of lentil to 4 cups of water. And then you're going to bring it to a boil on a medium to high heat and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. After it's cooked, this is what it should look like. And you should also allow a little water in the pot that you will need to use to blend it. Now you're going to blend this on a high-speed blender or a regular blender, not just food processor. I'm going to be using my Buchimix high-speed blender to blend this. Depending on the strength of your blender, you may need to add water to ease the blending, but this is the consistency you should have after blending it. Next, you would turn this back into the pot and place on a low heat. You will need psyllium husk or ground flaxseed to mix this. This will serve as a binder to your swallow. Again, the consistency that you like will determine the quantity of the binder that you will use. Here I used about 1.5 tablespoonful of psyllium husk. Now you're going to combine this thoroughly. The psyllium husk would only bind this if it is completely dissolved. What is swallow if it is not wrapped in plastic wrap? It has to be wrapped to look like the correct swallow. So this is what the consistency is like. And baby, when I tell you that this was given, the texture was so good. The texture was absolutely amazing. 1 cup of the lentils gave me 3 wraps of this fufu, which ordinarily I would have 1 wrap. So this would serve 3 meals. And it's good in the refrigerator. All you need to do is warm it when you are ready to eat it and you're good to go. Like I always say, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring and it doesn't have to be stereotyped. All you need to do is get creative. I don't know about you, but this is a no-brainer for me. As someone who is very mindful of my carb intake, trying to eat low carbs, this is a complete game changer. Imagine enjoying your favorite dish and getting in all the protein, fiber, and all the micronutrients all in one meal. This has to be a staple in my house, and it should be yours too. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be giving this a try and what soup you'll be eating it with. But if you want a done-for-you meal plan, feel free to download my 14-day high-protein hormone balancing meal plan. It contains breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack ideas and the recipes for each of the meals. Don't forget to save this and share it with the next person so that they too can benefit from it and follow for more.